Beatdown Films. Get down or get beat down. Contra Saturn.
Raining, it's raining. Left me in the rain. You used to get my last dub from me, get a hug from me, learn how to thug from me, and then you left me in the rain. Yeah. You used to get my last dub from me, get a hug from me, get all the love from me, and then you left me in the rain. Yeah. You niggas won't get shit from me. Whoa. You niggas won't get shit from me. Yeah. You niggas won't get shit from me. Yeah. You niggas won't get shit from me. Yeah. Y'all got this shit fucked up, man. Listen. How you rich as fuck, but your dog looking poor? How you did a spin move, but you can't even score? My cousin left me on the floor, his dog picked me up. I'm serving dog food, but the laws pick me up. Well, who you got a visit from? Nobody. Well, who you got a letter from? Nobody. I got locked up, I did a little time, I'm waiting on deposit. I'd rather get caught on my fighter than get caught without it. We did it all together, nigga. You like my blood brother. We even fucked the same hoes, some bad motherfucker. I seen you steal your first track, that shit was too easy. Remember you stole your uncle crack, we made 200 B's. You helped me write my first rap, I thought I was Lil Weezy. Remember we was giving each other doubt, we was tag teaming. The whole vibe changed ever since I've been on. You don't even call me or text my phone. Get my last dub from me, get a hug from me, learn how to thug from me, and then you left me in the rain. Yeah. You used to get my last dub from me, get a hug from me, get all the love from me, and then you left me in the rain. Yeah. You niggas won't get shit from me. Whoa. You niggas won't get shit from me. Yeah. You niggas won't get shit from me. Yeah. You niggas won't get shit from me. Shit, why you left me in the rain? Caused so much pain. I'm gone.